and action. Okay, hey YouTube, how's it going? Got a 10-inch drill press from Harbor Freight. Gonna do an unboxing and demonstration and let you know what I think of it. It was around $139. I actually went after an 8-inch, but they weren't in stock. And I said, can I get a better price on the 10-inch since I got to spend more money now? They said no, but they did throw in a 1-year, no questions asked warranty for free. So that was a $21.95 value, and so about $139 after tax out of pocket. Let's go put this thing together. Okay, YouTube, got all the parts and pieces out of the box, and there's not a lot of pieces. There's the main part, the motor, the stand, and then there's, half a dozen or a dozen parts and pieces to put together. It doesn't look that difficult, and they supply you with the Allen wrenches to put it together. So I'm going to start building this thing now. Stay tuned. Okay, it's all assembled. Let's do a first run here. Seems to be working. A little loud on the plunge. Okay, it's all together. One complaint I will have is this little handle that's supposed to go in here. I don't know if that was supposed to be milled out, but that does not work at all. Not that it's a big deal. It can just, the belt cover can just kind of rest there anyways. But other than that, pretty simple to put together. Pretty much anybody could do it. You need a rubber hammer for pressing the arbor on. That's what they recommend in the manual. And then you're going to need a 14mm wrench to crank down the base bolts, and then you're going to need a Phillips to, let's go over the other side. Where is it? Nope, right here. For the up and down handle. They do have to loosen this to be able to use the crank. So, mine's loose right now. And the other thing is, I don't know, I might put like a pipe clamp on here because this kind of wobbles a little bit. But overall, not a bad purchase.